Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Nova Y91 and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and then let's scroll down to the very bottom to find system and updates. As you can see, I'm pretty sure that you will not lose this option because it's at the very top, the software update. So let's simply tap on it. Be aware that you have to have the internet connection. Thanks to this, your device will simply check for the current updates, whether you're up to date or not. If you are, you will have the same information just like I have. You can also check the current version you've got applied. But of course, if in your case the downloads, the update will be available, your device will of course show it to you, will show all of the new things which will appear in the update, new fixes, etc. Everything what is new in the update, and then it will simply allow you to download it if you want to. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.